We are ready for our hike. It's late, but it's a nice weather. Here is Overguard. Oops. Ready for our adventure. Horton Spring. Say hi.
Hello.
The Horton Spring Trail in the woods. Look at how pretty. A lot of pine trees. Oh, look at the view. It's a steep. Wow. So we meet how many people? 5 people over there, and they start from the bottom, and us we start from the top. Ha? Flag? Sa baba?
There's 3 flags. Is there 3 flags high?
Hi.
Is there 3 flags?
Oh. Nag-hike ka sa Alapaap.
Ay,
Video
hindi
yan.
nag-hike ako sa Canada twice.
Oh yeah, you've been there. Maganda
Ay,
man
hindi.
yun.
Isa lang pala yung hike ko.
Look,
Okay.
ikaw na mauna.
No.
Mag-video ako.
Nag-hike
Yeah.
pala ako isa lang. Tapos yung isa hindi pala hike yun kasi we went to the water.
Maganda man yun. Yun yung famous. Going down more. Hello. Going down.
Ito rin, yan na lang
steep.
tubig mo.
Magpapahula pa siya.
Mag-drive, mag-ano na lang. Tapos na yan. Sabi,
It's very steep
Alam na
going
natin
down. Yeah, the 5 girls, they're already up.
Steep
Went
daw
back.
eh.
Yeah.
Very steep.
Very.
Nag-record yan.
It's very steep. Oh,
See?
Very steep.
Very steep. Careful.
Oh.
Wala kaming driver.
Oh.
Just a short mile, but it's a steep going up. Oh, look at lunchtime. We hiked 5 miles today. Minus 4.5.
For
We
now,
need to
girl.
eat.
Because when we get up there, we'll make it one.
Yes, so we need to eat a lot. Wow. We made it, ladies. 5 miles. Minus 4.
1 hour and 20 minutes.
Wow.
Ingat ka dyan, Ems. Ay, ang ganda.
One of the view, it's like a Magyan view. Magyan Rim view. Wow. From Payson to Sedona. Look at the Sedona Mountain. Red Mountains. Exploring Sedona, not hiking.
We're done with the hiking.
We're done with the hiking this morning. Make sure we hike. So now we're ready to eat ice cream and hula hula. Let's see. Wow. Do you wanna know your future?
Hello,
Psychic
Sheila
reader. There.
With Tita Ems and Tita Mary.
There you go. We're going. Ang daming gym show. Gym show. Wow. Magpahula
20
tayo.
o 30?
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
20 na. 20. Ice cream time. Sa loob na siguro. Dila ka muna. Onions. Red onions? Yeah. 4? Yeah. One is coming. Yes. Pwede na eat.
Gusto mo dito?
Pwede rin. It is,
Oh, no?
I think this
No? Okay.
dinner. red onion here in Overguard. Is this Overguard?